So we're down here in Catford. This is another project we're starting tomorrow. Scaffolding will be going up. So what we're going to be doing on this project is removing all of the Pebbledash from all of the brickwork on the front of the property, cutting out and replacing all of the damaged bricks with matching imperial bricks, brick cleaning all of the brickwork. Also going to be doing on this project is removing all of the paint from all of the from all of the stonework on the front of the property, taking that all back to natural stone, so getting all of this paint off, exposing all the beautiful stone underneath and having all that back to natural stone. Going to look absolutely incredible once that's all done. Not sure on style of pointing at the moment. We'll do some samples for the customer and then the customer can pick whatever style of pointing they want to go for, but looking forward to transforming this house. Going to look absolutely incredible. Great transformation when it's all finished. Also going to be doing the garden wall, repointing all the garden wall. Just had that rebuilt, so we'll repoint that to match whatever style of repointing they'd like to have done on the front. Bit of woodwork to be decorated as well on here, and yeah, we'll show you some update videos of this in the next week or so once we get underway. So if you'd like a free quotation for any of our services that we offer, please give us a call, get in contact, and we're more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries you do have. Thank you very much.